when you're communicating with other people to have the fullest possible communication, you want to make sure that you hit all 4 learning styles, even if they prefer one over the other. For the most complete communication, you always want to cover why, what, how, and what if, and especially if you're with a mixed crowd where you're not sure what learning styles. But even if you're just speaking one-on-one with somebody and they prefer details, for example, it still serves people to start with the why, right? Even if you have a how person, it still serves them to then, after they do something, ask questions. Hey, how did that go? What did you learn from that? What do you think? Right? And so as a full package of communication, this really has all, and the order that it's presented in, because I cannot tell you how many times I've seen people give presentations or even conversations out of order, and it just confuses people, right? So this order of why, what, how, and what if is, I believe, the perfect flow for communicating anything.